Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Tuesday, January 3rd, and I have a really exciting new program for 2023 to share with you. This is the Riley Blake Bench Pillow of the Month program. Last year we had table toppers, the year before that we had square pillows, and this year we have bench pillows. So I have most of these samples to show you. I only put one into the pillow form, but these are great because you only need one pillow form and you can just trade out the covers as the year goes by. So this is August. This one is May. This one is September. And these were all made by our awesome staff members and class instructors. So I really appreciate the time that everybody put into making these for the shop. This one is for October, obviously. I love the binding on this one. It's so cute. This one is November. Now we are on to December gets a break, and here's January. And then we have February right here. And finally, March. So these come in beautiful keepsake boxes. Right now we are pre-ordering for the whole 12 months. So if you'd like to get in on the whole 12 months, you will get them shipped as we receive them. Excuse me. Dry air this morning. And when they arrive in the shop, we'll be selling them individually. So the first one is due to ship in March, and that will be the April kit, which I don't have to show you here today, but you can zoom in right here and see what they all look like. So those are the 12 months are now available for pre-order at the link that you'll find in the description of today's video. We've also just started the Indigo Splash Block of the Month. Hopefully you can see that just down the way there. That just started yesterday, the beginning of January, and Georgia did a terrific job making it. And we have those kits ready to go. So if you're interested in joining in on the Indigo Splash Block of the Month, now is a great time to do that. And of course, today is day 3 of our UFO Club. If you have unfinished objects or unfinished projects sitting around your house or tucked into your closets, now is a great time to pull them out. You can get 10% discount on fabric, batting, backing, and thread to finish your projects. And then we also offer 10% discount on quilting and quilting and trimming services, which our long arm team can provide. And that is truly the only time quilting ever goes on sale. So if you want to get in on our free UFO club, I will put the description of that in today's video as well. I hope you have a terrific afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.